Good evening, this is Piano Green and this is another tutorial on how to put developer options on in Android. So we go to settings and then we go to about device, then we click software info and then we press build number 7 times. And then you've got developer options. So easy and random. That's it for today's video, I guess. A bit short. And show touches in developer options. It's pretty useful for when I'm recording because look, you can see where I'm tapping. I just wanted to tell you that. And there's lots of other settings, whatever you might want to use them for. Sometimes you need to use Android Studio on the computer and you need this. There's not much other reasons that you want developer options. Still, it's very useful. So that's it for today's video, I guess. And